What's going on, guys? So we're going to be talking about why the marijuana sector has pretty much exploded for the upside. So, as you guys know, I'm a pretty active trader and investor in all types of different markets here in different sectors. One sector that I still don't know what's going on with it. Yes, I have some money in it. I believe everybody does, really, but it is the marijuana sector. The marijuana sector is a pretty new sector. Over the past 2 years, Canada has, or over the past year, pretty much Canada has recently made it, legal to smoke recreational marijuana. And so, out of pretty much, it felt like overnight, we had all these companies just popping up offering their IPO, and the sector went hot, then it faded, and now, guys, it's hot. It's hot again. I had a feeling this was gonna happen here. But so pretty much a lot of the main cannabis companies, like ticker symbol CGC or ticker symbol weed or WEED, they've just exploded to the upside. And it's pretty easy why. So CGC reported a 282% increase in quarterly revenue as marijuana became legal in Canada, guys. So pretty much that is one of the main reasons for this huge increase. We had just a ton of buying pressure, and a lot of people were very excited about this earnings report. They were anticipating it, and obviously it's starting to pay off. So pretty much this is where I was talking about when we had this huge increase in this sector. Went from roughly $24 up to about like 50 before it fell back down. And now we're starting to get into this bullish market again. Now that all these stocks hit their peak, and now they have some resistance and some support. So now this is pretty much the best time to make some trades. Is when the sector's hot here. I would love to pull up a chart, but my Thinkorswim isn't working. It's saying it's updating or some weird reason. But yeah, guys. So pretty much this sector is it moves. So if that's, say, CGC moves 20-30%, you're most likely gonna have some sympathy movers like weed or CRON or cron. These are just very, very large and popular stocks when it comes to the marijuana sector. So they tend to move as a sector. Yes, we'll have the top one that really pushes that herd up, but we'll get those stragglers that still move 20-30%, and maybe this one would move like 50 upwards of that, depending on how hyped this earnings was, which it looked like it was, guys. So so let's see what else we got in this article. So it's pretty much under Market Watch here. You guys can go on and check it out, but it's really crazy. So this is I'm not sure who that guy is, actually. I don't know. But yeah, so that's pretty much it though, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So looking at this little paragraph right here, I forgot to, this was another thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about, is it says the pot producer reported fiscal third quarter net income of 67.6 million Canadian, or that's roughly 50.9 million, compared to Canadian 11 million in the prior year. So this, they more than doubled their sales growth. They pretty much times fived it, and it obviously paid off. So, and the revenue grew to Canadian 83.1 million, up from 9.8 million in the year earlier period, excluding taxes. So pretty much, we just had this huge pressure, guys. These IPOs move, and when you get good news like this, all of those people that were hesitant on buying this stock, this is when they jump in. This is when companies and people start buying out of emotion. So emotion's going to play pretty much a larger factor than the actual earnings report is, because people will see these huge numbers and they will say, oh man, I'm going to miss this. I'm going to miss this move. And that's when you get this huge sympathy move. Also, other people will start looking at other stocks like weed, and that's why those will tend to just move as a sector, and it's really crazy, guys. So that is pretty much why most of these marijuana stocks are moving, is just because a fantastic earnings report reported upwards of 282% increase in quarterly revenue, guys. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a little shorter video today, and I know I did not go live this morning. Something is wrong with my my streaming key. If you guys know how to reset those, I tried going on the OBS server and I couldn't figure it out. So if you guys know that, please drop a comment in the bottom. It'll be greatly appreciated. But yeah, so we're gonna figure that out. And I know I did not stream my trade idea scanner this morning like I normally do. That is the reason, guys. So that's it, though. Take care, and I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. If you guys are listening to this on, YouTube, drop a subscribe. If you're listening to it on the podcast, drop a subscribe. So that's it, though. Take care, everyone.